Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to explain chapter Introduction to HTML5. We will cover the topics Introduction, HTML, structure of an HTML document, tags and attributes, and then we will go to the practical part. So in this video, because I don't want to shoot a long video जिसको आप देखते देखते बोर हो जाएं, I want to make a short video. तो in this video I'm going to explain theoretical part of HTML, and in next video I will explain practical part of HTML language. Let's go through the topic. So firstly, introduction. So in this topic, introduction, as you know, internet is the largest network that connects computers all over the world to share information. So we connect to the internet and we share information on the internet. You know it very well. Now come to the first subtopic, that is web page. A web page is an individual document on the server that contains relevant information in the form of text, images, videos, sound, animations, etc. So whatever website you open, the pages of that website, suppose now I have opened this page of JavaScript tutorial website where we learn about the various languages. So this is the web page, and this page is created in which language? In the HTML language. Now come to the topic. So each web page has its unique address on the web server known as URL, that is Uniform Resource Locator. By this, internet retrieve the information whatever we search on the internet. Next one is website. A website is a collection of related web pages that are stored on the server. So website is collection of all these web pages. These web pages are interlinked to one another through hyperlinks. When we click on one hyperlink, we go to the another link page. Okay, so next one is about fastback that you should know. A web server is a computer program that accepts, processes and responds to the request made by the web browser for websites or web pages. Whatever we search, whatever we type into the title bar, web server accepts that request, process the request, and then respond to our request. Next one is HTML. So let's learn what is HTML. So HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is the full form of HTML. It is a language used to create web pages. It includes certain markup codes that describes the content and format of the web page. It means we have to learn, we have to understand these markup codes, and then only we can script the program in HTML language. Next one is hypertext. Hypertext is a piece of text that functions as a hyperlink, and markup is a method of writing documents. It is the, we can say, these are the rules to write documents that describe the journal structure of the document. So it can be read and displayed by browser. The whatever program we write, it is read by the browser and displayed, program will be executed by the browser. It does not display the HTML tags, but instead uses them to determine how to display the content of the document. It means it will give output on the basis of our program. Now let's come to the features of HTML. It has so many features. First one, it is simple text files where we write program. No need of compile HTML code. Compile mean we it will not show syntax error. We have to find out that where we have doing any mistake, we have to correct that on our own. HTML is not case sensitive language. It means you can write program in small letter or capital letter. Next one, HTML codes can be written in any text editor. It may be WordPad, it may be Notepad, whatever text editor. Whatever Notepad and WordPad are the text editor software. HTML documents can be viewed in any web browser. It means if you have Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, you can view your program, your document in that. HTML provides a flexible way to design web pages along with the text. Means you can, along with the text, you can make flexible web pages. HTML allows us to embed audio video files directly into a web page without the need for additional software such as the Flash player. So you can use that. HTML provides many new input types such as email, data, color, month, number, and so on to simplify the designer's task. It means it provides some additional inputs also that we will use in our programs. Now come to next one. What are the basic requirements when you are scripting an HTML program? So first one is the basic tools required to build an HTML document are: first one, what you see is what you get editor or text editor. In between these two softwares you should have one. So we this is the very popular text editor because here programs that are used to create web pages, text editors are used. By writing the HTML code, examples of text editor are Notepad, WordPad, Linux, that is Get It is not that much popular, and text edit, that is Mac OS. And next one, you should have web browser software used to display or view the HTML file. So with the help of you execute your program with the help of web browser. So you should have one web browser in your system. Most commonly used web browsers are Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and so on. Now let's see basic structure of HTML document, how you script program. So here the first one is doc type HTML, a document type declaration that tells the browser about the version of HTML. So this tag is, ये angular brackets में जो हम लिख रहे हैं codes, these are known as tags. You should know that. So doc type HTML is the first tag. After that we will go to HTML, and HTML has this nested tag. आगे आप nested tags के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. तो HTML has in HTML tag we have head tag should have title tag, and title tag में you write title will be displayed on the title bar of the web browser, and then here you can write title, and this is the end tag, this is starting tag, and end tag always has slash sign. Now we have closed this head tag, so here we have slash sign, and then come to the body tag. Body tag contains the content of the web page, and here we can write the content, paragraph, video, audio, whatever you want to show on your web page. Next we have closed this body tag, so here slash, and then we have closed the HTML program. That's why it is end tag, that's why it is slash. Now come to next one, that is explanation of these tags. Okay, so first one, tags are the special keywords enclosed between the angle brackets, these are angle brackets, that tell the web browser how to display the content. An HTML document is made up of various HTML tags. It can have various other types of tags also. We have not studied yet about that, but we will later on, we will study about that. The first one is HTML tag. Let's learn what is the use of HTML tag. If question come, what is the use of HTML tag? So they encloses the whole HTML document that marks the beginning and end of the document. As you can see in the structure of HTML document, that they hold the beginning and ending of the HTML document. It helps the browser to understand that the document is an HTML document. Now come to the head tag. The head tag is used to define the document header. Header means title. Whatever title you insert in this head tag, it will be displayed on the title bar of the web page. It is placed within the HTML tag and contains the information such as title, style, and document's description. You can also write the title of your document also. That's why it is mentioned here, document description. Now come to the title tag. The title tag appears within the head tag. The information enclosed by the title tag appears in the title bar of the browser window when the page is displayed. Later on I will show you where is the title bar and how it is displayed on the web browser. Now come to the next one, that is body tag. So body tag appears after the head tag. All the contents of the web page, that is text, graphics, links, etc., are enclosed in the between the body tag. Next one is rules for writing HTML program. So what are the rules? HTML is a markup language that has its own rules to write codes. If you will not follow these rules properly, then you will have then you will come across the different types of errors and you will not get the particular or the correct proper output. Next one, always close the container tags properly. About container tags के बारे में हम बाद में पढ़ेंगे. HTML tag and body tag, these are all container tags. There should be no space between tag name. As you can see, tag name के बीच में कोई भी space नहीं होनी चाहिए. There should be no space between and this angle bracket in a tag. Nesting of tag should be done correctly so to get the desired result. जैसे मैं आगे आप nested tags के बारे में पढ़ेंगे तो you have to do that very carefully. Next one, values given to the attribute should be enclosed within the double quotes. Attributes and values के बारे में अब आगे पढ़ेंगे, but attributes की जो values हैं that should be enclosed in the double quotes always. Attribute की जो भी values होंगी वो double quotes में enclose होंगी हमेशा. Now come to tag and attributes. Let's learn about this. HTML is a markup language that uses tags to mark up the content of web pages. The tags also have different types of attributes. The first one is tags. Most of the tags use in pairs, जो हमने अभी पढ़ा था. HTML का end tag भी होता है /HTML. Head tag का भी, मतलब they are used in pairs. That's why for each start tag there should be an end tag. These tags are called container tags. जैसे कंटेनर में we put some material, हम कोई material रखते हैं या कोई भी चीज़ें रखते हैं, वैसे ही these are container tags. इसमें कुछ ना कुछ content होता है. Always they have some content. Now come to the only difference between the start and end tag is the keywords in the end that tag are processed by preceded by a फॉरवर्ड स्लैश. तो इनमें डिफरेंस क्या होता है? स्टार्ट टैग में नॉर्मल HTML, बट इसका जो एंड टैग होगा उसमें क्या होगा? हमेशा वी विल हैव स्लैश, फॉरवर्ड स्लैश HTML, है ना. नाउ फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन सी हियर बॉडी, here written computer application and slash. This is the end tag. There are some tags that do not need an end tag. These tags are called empty tag. इनको empty tag क्यों बोलते हैं? Because जहाँ पे हमें कुछ edit करना होता है या हमें कोई भी changes चाहिए होते हैं किसी भी तरीके के, जैसे HR tag is used to make a horizontal line, BR tag is used to break the line, मतलब it works as an enter key. तो इसलिए हम इसका end tag यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, और because ये पेयर में यूज़ नहीं होते हैं, that's why these are all empty tags. Okay, now come to next topic, that is nested tag. Let's learn what is nested tag. Nested tags are those tags that are used within some other HTML tags. मतलब इसमें एक के अंदर एक टैग्स यूज़ होते हैं. ईच पेयर ऑफ नेस्टेड टैग्स मस्ट बी बैलेंस सो दैट दे डू नॉट ओवरलैप. मतलब ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि यहाँ पे आपने बी टैग लगाया है बट यहाँ पे क्लोज नहीं हो रहा है, एंड टैग नहीं यूज़ हो रहा है. यहाँ पे देखिए ए टैग यूज़ हुआ है बट इसका एंड टैग यूज़ हुआ है. फिर बी टैग आपने स्टार्ट किया तो यू हैव यूज्ड हियर एंड टैग ऑफ बी टैग. तो दिस इज़ द, यू कैन सी एग्जाम्पल ऑल्सो. जैसे हमने हेड टैग स्टार्ट किया तो वी हैव यूज्ड हियर एंड टैग ऑल्सो ऑफ हेड टैग. टाइटल यूज़ किया था तो एंड टैग ऑफ टाइटल, एंड हियर वी हैव mentioned one title, that is creating a web page. Hope you understand this theoretical part of HTML very well. In next video I will come with new topics. Thank you. Drop your queries in the comment section if you have any doubt in the explanation of any topic in this video. Let's learn about attribute also, that what are attributes. So tag attributes are the special words used within the start tag to control the tag's behavior. जैसे सपोज एक फॉन्ट, सिर्फ फॉन्ट लिखने के लिए यूज़ होता है, बट हम उसके बिहेवियर को चेंज कर सकते हैं. कैसे चेंज करेंगे? और टैग कंटेन could have multiple attributes each separated by a space. सपोज हमें फ़ॉन्ट साइज़ चेंज करना है तो फ़ॉन्ट साइज़ लिखेंगे इक्वल्स टू 5. तो हेयर साइज़ इज़ एट्रीब्यूट एंड 5 इज़ एट्रीब्यूट वैल्यू. अब यहाँ पे देखिए कलर एंड रेड is in double quotes. We will always write in double quotes. So this is attribute value. So this was all about attribute and attribute value. Hope you understand very well. Drop your queries in the comment section. Thank you.